Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My Spellbinders card kit just came in the mail a couple of days ago and I thought I'd open it up and show you what I received in it. I'd been thinking about just joining a couple of kit clubs as they pertain to more like card making type things, just to kind of challenge myself and have some different types of cards to make and kind of see what I can create. And I did a cherry box unboxing a couple of videos ago, and then I thought I would show you what is in the Spellbinders card kit, which I was really surprised. You get quite a bit in here. So let me go ahead and show you what's in here. And like I said, this is for July, so it's got a lot of really nice kind of summery colors. So let me show you all the paper that's in it first. So you get some really pretty colors of cardstock. So lots of kind of garden colors. I'll just kind of fan them out and show you what you get. They're 8.5 by 11 pieces, and they're pretty thick, so they're good for making card fronts. But you get this gold, you get a pretty mint, a pink, white. I love this garden green color, a pretty yellow, and then a bunch of pinks and purples too. So lots in here that I think will be really pretty for kind of summery style cards. So you get those, and then you get some adhesive too. You get some foam dots here, and then you also get, looks like, let me see really quick what this is. I think it's just, it's like a score tape, which is great. So it's like a double-sided tape, and this is really good to secure things down. So you get quite a bit of that. Then you get a set of dies, and I like these. My favorite part of this die set, you get 6 of them here. My favorite part of the dies here are this frame die. It's kind of like a frame with some flowers around it, and I cut it out to show you what it looks like. And I love doing frames on the fronts of cards. I just think you can make a really nice, clean and simple card, and then you have this popped up just around a sentiment, or you can do kind of a tone on tone with a white on white. There's just a lot of things you can do with this, and also ink blending. I mean, there's just all kinds of things. And so I'm definitely going to use this for a lot of cards. And then I think you could cut 2 of them out and kind of put them, you know, side by side and make a little frame with that. But it also comes with a stamp set. And a couple of the dies from here will fit with the stamp set. So this flower with the stem goes with this. Let me take this out of the plastic so it doesn't have too much of a glare, although it still might with the front plastic. But you can use this die for this stemmed flower here. And then the other flowers I think are pretty easy to cut out on your own, so you don't really need a die with those. Also, this smaller die fits around this hello sentiment. So that's really nice too. You can kind of pop that up with some foam tape too if you want. But there's all kinds of different sentiments on here. Friendship and just saying hello and beautiful. So really pretty sentiments to go along with the flowers. So you get the dies, and then there's various other dies that cut out leaves and some little sprigs, and then another flower that you could kind of pop up and layer, I would think, on top of the frames here. So that'd be nice to kind of layer a bunch of flowers. So lots you can do with that. And I love to make floral cards. As you've probably seen on my Instagram, it's almost all I make. So anything with flowers, I'm all about. Okay, and then you get a lot of extras too, like kind of paper embellishments too. So you get these really pretty butterflies, and they're just layered stickers. So those really go nicely with the cardstock colors. And the other thing I like about this kit is it's not really branded. It's kind of its own thing. So it's not going to look like it's not kind of the same thing that you see all the time, which I think is kind of interesting and different. So so it's just, it kind of reminds me of like the hip kit clubs. They have like their own branded paper and that kind of thing. This is kind of the same idea, I think. So, and then you get these tons of paper embellishments. I'll move this out of the way and show you. I mean, there's just so many in here. Really pretty florals. Love all of these. I mean, just tons. Kind of balloons. So it's kind of got a sort of a vintage feel to it. These are kind of fun, the carousel horses. Some words. And again, I'm thinking journal making too with a lot of this stuff. So just lots that come in here. Tickets, little tags, this kind of thing. So you get those, and then you also get a paper pad, a 6x6 paper pad that has some really pretty paper in it. I'll just do a quick flip through. Lots of damask, balloons, flowers, geometric, gold. This is my favorite right here. I went right to this when I saw it. I love the purple and the gold. I've already thought of a project I'm going to do with this. So just lots of really pretty colors. That's really nice too. And I think it looks like you get 2 of every page. So that's nice. So that's the paper pad. You also get some stickers. These are some raised gold word stickers, and then some, they're chipboard stickers. So you get some flowers and this really pretty balloon with the gold on it. So that's really pretty too. And I forgot to show you the envelopes. You get envelopes and also some textured plain cards. So if you want to just do like a plain white note card, you've got a few of those. I think you get, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, something like that. You get quite a few in here, and you get the envelopes too. So you've got a lot. You can make cards out of the colored cardstock and then also use the white cards. These are really nice too. The gemstones, they're kind of holographic looking. And the collection is called Damask Daydream. So that's kind of everything in this has that name. And then some gold glitter words too that are kind of raised up on foam. So really pretty. And then they give you some idea. You get an idea card with some ideas for using the ephemera and the die and everything else. So I don't know. I think I'm really liking this club. Follow me on Instagram too. I have a link below, and I'll do a lot of kind of my cards and things. I have those up on there just as a quick, if you just want to see what I've made so far, I will, I'll put them up on there. But I just thought I'd show you the card kit, and, I'm trying out everything and kind of seeing what I'm going to keep and what I'm going to continue on with. And I already think I'm definitely going to continue on with this card kit, because this is nice. It's got a lot of different things in here that I can make cards with. I can also do journaling with. So I think this will be good. So thank you so much for joining me today. And if you have any questions, definitely leave me a comment, and I'll see you in my next video.